Why do we lose energy as we age? And more importantly, who's keeping us from feeling young again? The truth is, high stress, poor diets, and modern farming practices are quietly depleting us. Today's soil is overworked and undernourished, leaving our food with fewer vital nutrients than ever before. No wonder we feel exhausted, bloated, and run down. But that's where Moringa steps in. Known as one of the most nutrient-rich superfoods on the planet, Moringa delivers over 40 times more nutrients than most fruits and vegetables. This powerful plant helps your body reset, naturally balancing stress hormones like cortisol, calming inflammation, and keeping your energy steady all day long without the crash of caffeine. Just 2 capsules a day can refill your nutrient stores, support smooth digestion, and promote deeper, more restful sleep, often within just a few weeks. You'll wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and more like you again. But here's the thing. You can't find pure Moringa just anywhere. It's native to the foothills of the Himalayas, and you need the real deal. Pure organic Moringa leaf powder that's third-party tested in the USA. That's why I trust Fresh Healthcare Moringa, because it's already trusted by over 100,000 happy customers. Experience vibrant energy and renewed vitality. Try Fresh Healthcare Moringa risk-free today and grab your 3-month supply before it sells out. Yes, that's right. A 3-month supply of 180 capsules, not a 1-month supply that most knockoff competitors offer. Search Fresh Healthcare Moringa on Amazon or check the link in bio.